storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to midnight Saturday night. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 4 and 6 inches. Where? Portions of south central, southwest, and west central Illinois and northeast Missouri. When? From midnight tonight to midnight Saturday night. The following impacts are expected. Travel could be very difficult. The rapid accumulation of snow will make travel extremely difficult, if not impossible. If travel is necessary, be sure to exercise extreme caution. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. In Illinois, the latest road conditions can be obtained at www.gettingaroundillinois.com. In Missouri, the latest road conditions can be obtained at traveler.modded.org/map or by calling 1-888-275-6636. The following is a summary of